First of all, I want to pay my respect to the school principal, my English teacher, and my beloved friend here. Good afternoon. Well, my name is Anna. I'm 12 years old. I study English at class 6 at SPC School. Today, I'm very honest and excited to be here and read about a special topic. My topic is in the afternoon. Our lesson are usually over at about 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. After lesson, I usually stay at home. I usually go home. Sometimes I leave the school with my friend Dini. We walk and chat. We live in the nearest block or flat. We often stay near our house and chat about music, TV, program, football, or school life. Sometimes we don't say good, but for a long time. When I get home, I'm very hungry. My parents are usually at work, and I have dinner alone. After dinner, I read a little something. I watch cartoon or play computer game. If the weather is fine, we go to our school stadium. My friend and I follow football. If it's raining, I usually stay at home and start doing my homework twice a week. We go to the swimming pool with my dad. Sometimes I go there alone when he is busy at work. The swimming pool is far away from our place. It's a 10-minute walk. I often did something interesting. I'm kicked on adventure stories. In the evening, my parents come back home from work. I'm very glad to see them. We have a lot to talk about. Thank you for watching and listening.